Hi everyone, apa khabar? In this video, we want to look at a word which is used a lot in daily conversations, which is pernah. So what does pernah mean? It actually expresses an experience. So if you're saying that someone have experienced something, in Malay we call it pernah. If someone has not experienced something or something has not happened, it's tak pernah or belum pernah. In terms of translation, it's easy to translate the word pernah using the idea of before, meaning that something has happened before or something has not happened before. So that's belum pernah. So for example, this example here, dia pernah jadi cikgu. Dia pernah jadi cikgu. It means she was a teacher before, or she has experienced becoming a teacher. Or if you want to look at the opposite, belum pernah, saya belum pernah pergi Jepun. Saya belum pernah pergi Jepun. So it means I've never been to Japan before, or I've never experienced going to Japan. So that is what it means. Another example, dia tak pernah makan durian. Dia tak pernah makan durian. So it means she has never eaten a durian before, or it can be he in this case. He has never eaten a durian before. Now let's try to construct sentences in Malay using pernah. So how do you say that car has never broken down? So to break down is rosak in Malay. A car is kereta. The full sentence is kereta tu tak pernah rosak. Kereta tu tak pernah rosak. Next example, I've worked at that building before. So to work is kerja. A building is bangunan. The full sentence is saya pernah kerja dekat bangunan tu. Saya pernah kerja dekat bangunan tu. Or if it's formal, you can use di bangunan tu. How do you say, I've never known that before? So it can also mean I've never known that. To know is tahu. So the full sentence is saya tak pernah tahu tu. Saya tak pernah tahu tu. Okay, last example. How do you say I've not tried swimming before? So to swim is berenang. The full sentence is saya belum pernah cuba berenang. Saya belum pernah cuba berenang. Okay, so to try is cuba. Okay, that's all for this lesson. These are some of the words that we've used in this video.